everybody, welcome back to the Crafty Bee Budgeting channel. Today is the first day of my 72-hour scrunchie challenge. I'm going to try to do 500 scrunchies in 72 hours. The way I've decided to do it is I've pre-cut about 250 pieces of fabric. There's some here. Some here, got some here, and then I have more over there, and then I have a small little bundle right here. I'm going to time myself in 72 hours. I want to try to see how many scrunchies I can do. My goal is 500. I'm not going to sit down for 3 days straight making them up. I got other videos and other stuff to do, but I am going to try to do as many as I can, and I'm going to keep track of the time. So when 72 hours of me actively making scrunchies is up, I'm going to tally up how many I got, and I will let y'all know. I'm going to do some clips here and there showing y'all me making some scrunchies, and I'm also going to just make them off camera, but I'll show y'all me finishing them up, whether it be adding the elastic or cutting some thread or fluffing them out or whatever it is. But let's get started. Okay, everybody, I am about 3 hours in, and so far I've just made a bunch of tubes. I'm using the standard method of making scrunchies, so I just sewed up a bunch of tubes. I'm not sure how many this is, but this is what I have after about 3 hours. So I will be back, and I will be continuing to finish off this stack right here. So stay tuned. Hey everybody, today is the second day. I started my scrunchie challenge yesterday. I did like 5 hours of scrunchies. Today I was running around, I had some errands. I've been here probably about almost 3 hours, and I've done like I've done like 13 scrunchies I've completed. Basically I did like 51 tubes yesterday, and I've been sewing them up because I have I cut some fabric for smaller scrunchies, like 2-inch for the little minis. These are like 3 inches, but I have some 2-inch ones, and I was trying to see what I could get that's small enough to flip them. So I was basically trying to use this part of one of those clothes hangers, the cardboard part. I tried some some shish kebab little skewer wooden sticks, taped them together to push it up. I even had this little pipe thing to flip it, and it took forever to flip like 3, and that held me up. So I won't be doing any of the minis part of the challenge. And I was also trying to add my labels. I screwed up like every last one of them, had to redo it again and again, and me trying to close them up. I hate doing it the standard way of making scrunchies, because whenever I get the scrunchie, you tuck in this raw edge on this side, you tuck it in, and then you push the other side in right there, and then it's like this, and then you sew across here. I was trying to put the label in like this and sew across it, and everything in the world kept happening. Either I was getting only part of the label, the rest of it, like, it was going crooked, So only a side of the label was getting sewn under here, or it was sew across the top here, but the back part, it would be the giant gap not getting sewn in there. So I have to go back and do it again and again, since this is, you know, I can't see through it. So you just got to try to line it up and sew across it as straight as possible. And it wasn't catching. Like, oh my God, are you serious? Because I was trying to keep it close to the edge, which is stupid. Just shove it in there so you know for a fact it'll freaking catch. And this has just been pissing me off. I was gonna do the challenge as in 72 hours, so give myself 72 hours, not as in Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, Friday, Saturday, but 5 hours up into 72 hours. But I was like, no, because challenges, people eat, sleep, do other stuff too. So I was like, okay, 8 hours for 3 days. This is not going well at all. I'm on, what, 13 I said? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is my 13th one in like 7 hours. Well, I can already tell you how this scrunchie challenge is going to be, but I'm going to keep on going, so follow along. Hey everybody, today is a new day. This is the 3rd day of the challenge. I've only done 8 hours of actual sewing and putting in elastic and all that stuff. It is so hot. I just got in today at what, 4:30. It's about 4:30 and I just got here. I've been busy all day today. I went and checked out the Grapevine Farmers Market. So far, what I'll be having in my inventory at the Farmers Market on June 17th, these will be in the collection. I just finished those yesterday. These will be in the collection, finished those. These two here, and the ones that I have in the tote down here, plus these and anything else. Y'all, I'm too slow, my machine too slow, and I'm positive of this 500 scrunchie challenge, I'll be lucky if I can get 75 in. The way I had planned to do it was basically 3 days, 72 hours, or like 3 work days. Like if you work 8 or 10 hour days times 3, 24 to 30 hours. So I was going to give myself that much time by the hours to do the challenge, not Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, because no, I couldn't sit here and just do this all day. I got other stuff to do and I'd be all over the place. So what I'm going to do tomorrow is Sunday. My husband's going to be off. He's probably going to want to do something. I'm going to try to crank out at least 30 hours of scrunchie making. I'm 8 hours in to see what I can get done. I'm really going to sit down and just crank it out. I'm thinking get up early in the morning, do it by the time my husband run around, do whatever he's going to do, and want to get together and do something. Hopefully I'll have, you know, a pretty good amount added to some of my scrunchie holders, aka napkin holders, but they're scrunchie holders over here. But I'm just to get back to it. I'm just to just cut some elastic up. I had to order some more of this kind, the 1/2 inch 25 yards. I ordered off eBay. Your girl don't mess with Amazon. But I ordered 1/2 inch 109 yards for like $20. This one here was $15 for 25 yards. So hopefully the quality is good. When it comes in, I'm going to see the quality. If it's not as good as this one, I'm not going to bother with it. I'll use it for something else. But I also had some other projects that I was about to do. I have a video that's supposed to be going up on Tuesday, but after that I don't have anything pre-recorded. There's a project that I want to do right over here. I'm thinking I'm going to do that on Monday. So I'll upload that on Thursday after I edit it and all that good stuff. But next week, well, today is Saturday, on the 11th, I'm going to be busy all that week. So I'm going to try to get 3 more videos out this coming week, so I can have those already scheduled to go out the following week, the week of the 11th. But y'all, I got these fans on full blast in here. My big orange fan over there, a little shop fan, and then this little one right here. But I'm just to get to these scrunchies. I'm going to make me a matching apron because I'm the Crafty Bee Budgeting channel, and these are little bees and I love them. And I was going to put these on my little balls when I have my little ponytail balls, and I love these. So I will be rocking this in my hair and also the matching apron. I'm thinking have yellow with the black adjustable, you know, straps. So let me get to some of these scrunchies and follow along.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets of black.
Hey everybody, today's the last day of my scrunchie challenge. I am going to finish these few scrunchies and then I'm calling it. I can tell you now, I'm far from 500, but I have completed a nice amount that can go into my inventory for my farmer's market in a few weeks. So stay tuned. I will do the final count after I make up these few scrunchies. And here's the final scrunchie. Okay, it's time to count them all. So, I'm gonna set up my table and I'll be right back. Okay, here is my total scrunchies. So let's dump them out and count. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. Oh, 77 scrunchies out of 500. Y'all, this was hard. Well, that was an epic fail, but I do have 77 scrunchies to add to my inventory for my show on June 17th. So, scrunchie challenge over. 500 scrunchies was the goal, and yeah, way off. Not even 20%, but maybe with a faster machine and more dedicated time to just sit there and do it from start to finish, like 8 to 10 hours a day, maybe the outcome will be better. But this is what I got. So y'all, if y'all have any comments or questions, please drop them below. Please subscribe, turn on that notification bell. I know, shameless plug, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.